powerful Irgc Navy forces tasked with mission to be deployed to high seas. Chief Commander of Iran's Islamic Revolution Guards Corps has praised the Naval Warfare Service branch of his force as powerful and prevailing, stating that his fellow Marines have been tasked with bolstering their presence in remote high seas areas. Addressing a gathering of Irgc Navy commanders and officials in the northeastern Iranian city of Mashhad on Thursday, Salami said that the Irgc naval units have been tasked with the mission to be deployed and present in open seas. He said the Irgc Navy has admirably and tremendously accomplished its missions, emphasizing that it is developing as a major naval force in the Strait of Hormuz, the Persian Gulf and beyond. Salami went on to highlight that the Irgc Navy is currently in possession of sophisticated missiles, highly versatile vessels as well as other naval systems and equipment, and relies on the strong commitment and sense of teamwork among its personnel, homegrown know-how, domestically developed armament and resourcefulness. He noted that agility plays an important role in the success of naval battles, stating that a confrontation at sea is very fast and decisive as the opposite side has more limited equipment compared to the battle on the ground. The faster you can break the initial arrangement, the more you have changed the field of dominance. The more powerful you become, the more vulnerable the enemy turns out to be, the Irgc chief pointed out. Last month, the commander of the Irgc Navy said speedboats operated by the force had been equipped with radar-evading stealth technology, which can greatly reduce the distances at which they can be detected. As you know, the Irgc Navy is a completely strategic force and is in possession of all types of ammunition, ranging from tanks for naval battles to fixed-wing aircraft and drones. Rear Admiral Ali Reza Tangsiri said on the sidelines of a ceremony in the Iranian capital Tehran on July 25. Therefore, it has always been in contact and close cooperation with other forces and military organizations like the Ministry of Defense to produce various military systems and equipment. He underlined that his force proudly utilizes equipment manufactured by domestic knowledge-based companies, including a series of drones and quadcopters. The Iranian commander highlighted that the hull material and shape of the Irgc Navy's speedboats employ stealth technology construction techniques so as to ensure they would remain undetected by radars. The speedboats joined the Irgc Navy's fleet during a Saturday ceremony attended by the Irgc Chief Commander Major General Hossein Salami and high-profile military figures in the southern Iranian port city of Bandar Abbas. The speedboats are highly maneuverable and are equipped with missile and rocket launchers as well as surveillance and reconnaissance devices. In comments at the event, General Salami said Iran's advanced naval vessels have high destructive power to defend the country in terms of range, speed, accuracy. He said the construction of high-speed Irgc vessels has progressed from rocket launchers to missile launchers. These missiles are precision-guided and their range has increased from 10 kilometers to a strategic range that will be announced soon, he said. Rear Admiral Ali Reza Tangsiri, commander of the Islamic Revolution Guards Corps Navy, said the new speedboats have been developed by local experts and can reach speeds of 75-90 knots. He added that all military equipment for the boats, including missiles, rockets, and radar systems, have been manufactured by Irgc specialists. Last month, Tangsiri said Iranian forces have slapped the Americans 6 times during confrontations in the Persian Gulf over the past 18 months. Irgc Navy Chief Commander was apparently referring to the period since the U.S. assassination of Iran's legendary Commander General Qasem Soleimani in Baghdad. The Iranian youth, he said, should know the importance of the Persian Gulf and the fact that our country is of great geographical significance. This importance has led us to slap the Americans 6 times in 1.5 years of confrontation, many of which had not been covered by the media yet, Rear Admiral Tangsiri said. He cited the Irgc Navy's intervention last October to prevent U.S. forces from stealing an Iranian oil cargo in the Sea of Oman in a dramatic operation which involved Iranian forces rappelling down to the ship's deck, calling it the latest slap. The tanker was carrying Iranian oil, but with the support of the Americans, it was refusing to deliver its cargo to our country. Of course, this was the second ship we confiscated and the previous one was not reported.